My whirlpool dryer makes a buzzing sound when I push the start button. It worked great the last load. Can you help me?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. If the dryer buzzes when you press the start button, it means that the centrifugal switch built into the motor isn't resetting properly, or the drum is seized up and won't turn. Open the door and spin the drum a few times to make sure that the drum isn't seized up. Sometimes this will reset the centrifugal switch. If the drum isn't seized up and the centrifugal switch won't reset, the entire motor would need to be replaced because the switch can't be replaced separately. If you have any other questions, please ask me, I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
Now my dryer is not making any noise when I push the start button.
It has likely overheated the motor. You would need to wait 30 minutes or so for the motor to cool down before it will try again. Either way, if the drum isn't jammed, the motor will need to be replaced.
Is it costly, or should I just get a new dryer?
The part is about $200 for the motor, so unfortunately it's not inexpensive to repair at all, but the choice to fix the unit or not is completely up to you. The total cost with trip, labor, and part would be about $300 to $350.
Okay, thanks. I have a house full of company for the week. Too bad it happened now.
I'm really sorry about the bad news.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.